nothing's happening. Accelerating doesn't really seem to make it worse. Well, I guess it does. And then when I release, it comes down again.